Hello, I'm Phil Ernest in my 53rd country, Portugal, and this is Lisbon. Lisbon is the capital city of Portugal. It is located on the coast. To give you an idea of the size of Portugal, it just about fits in the entire state of Florida. Today, I'll take you on a 1.2 kilometer walk from the center of Lisbon to St. George Castle. And this is the center part of Lisbon. And this is interesting, an outside escalator. Or you could take the stairs all the way up. This is very colonial, walking through Lisbon here. Look at the old structures with the balconies. Very similar to what I've been seeing in my travels through Spain and the French Riviera. So let me go on up this escalator and see where this takes me to. And we're going to see a little bit more of Lisbon, but from an up-top view. So after going up the large escalator, I'm finding some interesting churches up here. And there is a castle up there. So let me go see what that is all about. Look at these little narrow streets here with the colonial, French colonial type of architecture. Noticeably here in Lisbon, they have a lot of cobblestone, tile, mosaics type walkways. Let's go this way and see. Look at these buildings. This is another neat thing I like about Portugal, Lisbon, that I've seen. This is actual tile. So they're putting tile on the outside of a lot of the buildings. See? This is tile here and tile over there on that building. They even have a tile museum here. So Lisbon, Portugal is very big on tile. That outdoor, that's tile. Also that building, this building. And on the topic of tile, look it up here. They even have a depiction of tile with the Jesus and the saints, all of these. So religious. And it's Lisbon in blue. So really artsy type of town. Look at here, they got a lot of art, deco style things in here. Entrance, shops, selling pottery, all kinds of neat little things. Here's more tile they're selling. Watercolor. Oh, look at these paintings. These are gorgeous. Wow, look at these paintings. This is really nice. And if you want to visit this castle, it's bus 737 that'll take you all the way up here, so you won't have to do the climb that I just did. And here's what it looks like from the outside. Entrance going through an arch here. If you're finding this video informative, please give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to receive more of this informative information, please subscribe to the channel. I post a new video every week. So this church castle that I'm going to go to, it's been in operation since 1147. So let's go check it out and see it right now. So the people do their laundry, hanging out over the balcony. Residents live here. And here's the place right here. They encourage you to buy tickets online. Line may be long, and as you can see, nobody here. So this is the grounds of the castle. Once I went through the turnstile there, and this is Lisbon from high atop. Check out the, like I said, this city's very much like a mini San Francisco. There's even their own version of the Golden Gate Bridge right there. And they have a Christ the Redeemer, almost like the big Jesus off further over there. This is a close-up view of what looks like the Golden Gate Bridge, and over here is their version of Christ the Redeemer. That sound you heard was a peacock. They have more than a few peacocks walking around on the grounds. Here's a big cannon. They have a map here all made of tile. Look at this, showing you all the sites of what you're seeing down below. So, really well done. Very impressive, this castle up here. Going through the little arches. And here's one of the peacocks I was telling you that they have here on the grounds. Traditionally, the male peacock will spread his feathers to attract a female companion. A peacock will also spread their feathers whenever they feel threatened, so as to make them look bigger and taller and stronger to ward off any oncoming predator. While these peacocks are beautiful, not everybody is thrilled to see them. Check out this girl freaking out being close to one. So let's go on in and take a look at this castle from inside now that we've seen the grounds outside. Come upon a statue here, the fortress in the background of it, and let's continue on in. St. George Castle is a historic castle. People have lived in this castle since at least the 8th century BC. And this is the map of what we'll see inside the castle. Now I'm going to take a walk inside the castle and check it out from the inside. Oh. Okay, so coming through here now, we see the big Portugal flag waving up there. You know. Okay, so let me go ahead and take a walk up these steps and start to walk around the walls of this castle and checking out the viewpoint from high above. So after climbing up those stairs right there, this is the view, again, overlooking the city. And look at the large Portugal flag blowing. Since the 12th century, the castle has variously served as a royal palace, a military barracks, home of the Torre do Tumbo National Archive, and now as a national monument and museum. The hill on which St. George Castle stands played an important part in the history of Lisbon. In 1147, Portugal's first king, Alfonso Henriques, captured the castle with the help of Northern European crusaders on their way to the Holy Land. It was later dedicated to St. George, the patron saint of England. So there you have it, that's how the castle got its name. Most of the castle was destroyed over the years, especially in the Great Earthquake of 1755, but still includes a long extension of walls and 18 towers that were restored in the early 20th century. If you plan on visiting the castle, I will leave a link in the description below with information on how you can get your tickets in advance in order to avoid the long lines. So pretty nice. This concludes my little walk through the castle in Lisbon. So this is why you want to come early to a place like this. Look at the long line now. A long, long line. That's only 2 hours after it opened. So this is why always come early to the big tourist attractions. If you would like to see my other videos on Europe, please click on the link now. Thank you so much for watching.